Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how we can download and install Audacity. Simply guys, if you want to download and install Audacity, first go to your browser, internet browser, then go to Google search engine, okay, in the Google search engine type download Audacity. Don't worry guys about the license, it's a free program. Also don't worry about the link I will put in the description below. Okay, here Audacity, download Audacity, Windows, click here. Okay guys, here's the official website for the Audacity software. Scroll down. Okay, here we have the Audacity 2.3.3 installer. Okay, you can download with user manual or without. Okay, so I will download without user manual. Okay, okay, click here, download Audacity Windows installer. Okay, run. The program will be downloaded, as you can see. Okay, it's finished. View download. Okay, I will run the Audacity setup. Okay, click OK. Next. You can change the default location if you want by click browse and set your destination location. Okay, next, create a desktop shortcut. Next, install. Next, finish. As you can see guys, now we have the Audacity program. Double click. Okay, it's run successfully. Okay, now you can drag and drop any music file to edit, or by click file, open, and here you can open any music file you want to add. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.